Hi, in this video I am going to explain you what happens when we launch the Tweencraft application for the very first time. I'm going to make you walk through the entire onboarding process. So let's tap on the icon very first time. Here we go. So first we land on this language selection page. Here actually we can select more than one language also. So I select Hindi and English. Now what's the importance of this language selection is basically inside the application there is a public feed in which we can view the videos created by others. So based upon these languages you will be shown the videos inside the feed. Now we press next. This is a small introduction to application. Basically it's a kind of showcasing what you can do in Tweencraft application. We press next. Okay, import. You can import images, GIF, sounds, all these things. Let's move ahead. You can change character's
Check it
voice.
out! Oh yeah! Check it out! Oh yeah! Check it out! Oh yeah!
We move ahead. Then you can change the speed of animation. Next. You can use zoom, pan, all the camera movement. Basically in Tweencraft application you can move the camera around, zoom in, zoom out, pan left, right, up and down. Next. So this is the final slide which basically says you can create your own movies. So press on done. Okay, now we are inside application. This is the feed page. So in this page we are going to view the videos created by others. Very first time it might take some time. Second time onwards it will be very fast.
4 बज रहे हैं.
So now the
मैं संडे को कभी उठाऊं 4 बजे जॉब उठ जाऊंगा.
feed is downloaded so you can view it. So this is the feed page. There are multiple tabs. We'll go to how to create the video or how to at least start the video creation process. So for that this center plus button is there. This button is to start creating the video. Now I press it. So basically very first time it's going to introduce you through one quick tutorial. So we'll start the tutorial. Okay, so it's guiding us like which button should be pressed, and on top you can see there's a tutorial progress. So we open this panel, add character, we select one character, say this character. So this black cloud on top right of this character denotes that this character is not yet downloaded. So suppose I go for this character, I tapped on it. So now the character is downloaded. So I'll select the character. So you can notice the progress bar is moving, and it's giving me a tip to tap here to record a dialogue. So let's record a dialogue. It will ask for permission, so we'll allow it. So yeah, hello, this is me, this is me, this is me. And then it's asking me to save a frame. So we save a frame. Again it is asking me to record another dialogue. Hello, this is second dialogue. I'm waiting for it. Stop and save it. So you can see the tutorial progress is almost complete. Only small portion of it is remaining white. Okay, we'll play it. Now tutorial progress is complete.
Hello, this is me, this is me, this is me. Hello, this is second dial.
So stop it. Now it is saying good job, I have finished the tutorial. and it is asking me remember to add frame after each dialogue. So this is the key concept which you should always remember later when you use the Tweencraft application, that after each dialogue you need to add a frame. I'll press on got it, and now everything is okay. Export button is enabled, so now it's the normal mode and your onboarding is complete.
Hi, in this video I will tell you how to make a basic animation and what is the concept of frames in Tweencraft. So the small image that you can see at the bottom right is called a frame. Whatever is happening in the main screen will be visible in the active frame. Active frame means the frame that is below the orange arrow. So first of all we can move the character in the scene and move the body parts. Notice the same changes have taken place here as well. You can move the character to your liking and add a frame or save a frame by tapping on the plus button. Now I have tapped on it. All the changes are saved in the previous frame. And now this is the current frame in which we are making changes. You can change anything here to your liking and save another frame. Now when you play it, whatever changes you have made in the previous two frames, they will play as a video, like this. Let's make a jump animation here. Okay, we have made a jump animation here. By using the same concept that we have discussed in this video. In this video, I will tell you how to move a character and change the pose of the character in Tweencraft. Through this white cross button, you can move the character very easily. To change the character's pose, simply touch and drag on any body part like this. There are some important body part movements like eye movement. It is a very easy to use control and is very useful while creating a movie. Next one is this main body movement. This one is mostly used to make a character sit. Some other character movement options appear when you tap and activate the character. You will see these two buttons at the bottom. One is delete and other one is rotate. Delete is used to delete the character from the scene and rotate is used to rotate the character. Touch and drag to rotate a character. There are two more buttons on top, settings and resize. Resize button is used to make the character small or big, and settings button contains settings related to character like voice settings, etc. Another way to control the character in this activated state is to pinch on the character to move, rotate or resize the character by changing your finger motion. Remember, to change the character using pinch, first you will have to activate the character by tapping on it. Hi, in this video I will tell you how to record voice in Tweencraft. Whenever you add a character, there will be a mic button nearby. Through that mic, we will record our dialogue. Tap on the mic button and say your dialogue. Hello, my name is Tack. Once your dialogue is done, press on stop. And now when you play it, character will automatically lip sync with the audio and play it as a video. Let's play it once.
Hello, my name is Tack.
Okay. You can even change the voice of the character. Tap on the character to reveal advanced settings and tap on settings and then speech settings. Here you can change the voice to your liking by playing around with the sliders. You can use your normal voice as well by checking this button. You can play and see the changes in the dialogue by pressing the play button. Hello, my name is Tack. If you increase the tempo, the speed will increase.
Hello, my name is Tack.
If you decrease the tempo, the speed will slow down.
Hello, my name is Tack.
Let's take it back to normal. And if you increase the pitch, the voice will become cartoony.
Hello, my name is Tack.
If you decrease the pitch, the voice will become heavier. Let's use normal voice by checking on this button and go back and play. Hello, my name is Tack. Hi, In this video, I will tell you how to add a character in Tweencraft. Just go to this panel and tap on characters. Now you can select any character from this panel. To use any character, you need to download it. Let's download Redman. Once the download is complete, this icon will be removed. This icon is gone now. Any character without this icon is already downloaded. If character is not downloaded, then first you have to tap to download the character and then tap again to add it. If it is already downloaded, you have to tap it only once to add it to the scene. The character has been added. Hi, in this video I will tell you how to add backgrounds in Tweencraft. Just go to this panel and tap on backgrounds. Now you can select any background from this panel. To use any background, you need to download it. We will download this background. Once the download is complete, this icon will be removed. This icon is gone now. Any background without this icon is already downloaded. If background is not downloaded, then first you have to tap to download it and then again tap to add it. If it is already downloaded, you have to tap it only once to add it to the scene. The background has been added.
Hi, in this video I'll tell you how to export a video. So just for this demonstration I have already created a very small video of 2 frames. Now to export it you'll have to tap on this export button, second from the top. Once you tapped on it, if you have not created your login ID, then it will ask you to log in through either Facebook or Gmail. So I'll tap on Facebook. Okay, so actually I have previously already logged in using Facebook, so it did not ask me for any nickname. If you will be logging in for very first time, then it will ask you for a nickname. So choose any nickname and then you land on this page. So here you can provide a name for your movie. So here I'm providing it test movie. Okay, test movie, then accept. Okay, now here are movie tags. So movie tags are like which tag define your movie. So I'll say maybe it's funny, and you can add your own customized tags as well. So suppose I add something. Okay, I want to add a test tag. So I'll say done and then add tag. So my test tag is also there. Another option is select the language. So this is the language of video. So suppose we have created this video in English, so we can select say English and then we'll press next. Here there are 2 radio buttons. One is share with friends, another is save to album. And after these selections you'll have to tap on post button. Now if you have enabled share with friends, then after the export of video is completed, you will be introduced to a panel where it will ask you on which medium you want to share it. You can share it on WhatsApp, Bluetooth, whichever medium your phone is providing you. And if you disable it, then that option won't appear. Second option is save to album. So if that option is enabled and you tap on post, then the exported video will be saved on your phone memory. For this demo, I'll enable only save to album. So the layout on which I can share it on WhatsApp and all, that won't appear. Only my video will be exported and it will be saved in memory of my phone. So save to album is enabled and I'm going to tap post. Okay, it's asking me to access photo, media and files because it's going to save the video file in your phone. That's why it's asking, so allow it. This process might take a little bit time. If your video is longer or the quality of your resolution of phone is high, then it will take slightly longer time. So here you'll have to wait. Now it is saying that your video is saved to SD card Tweencraft. Basically it's saved into internal memory and there will be a folder named Tweencraft. Inside that video will be there. I'll press OK. We can go back. Now to access that video, we'll have to use any other tool like file manager. So I'm going to show you how to access that. So I have this tool called file manager. So there this folder tab is there. I'll tap on there, and it is my internal storage. So it's basically SD card only, internal storage in SD card. So in internal storage there will be a folder named Tweencraft. Should be there. It's not there. Yeah, it's there. So inside this we have this test movie.mp4. We can play it or we can share it